Vivo just launched a couple of cool things here in Shanghai, and one of them is a compact flagship that reps a very powerful camera. This is our look at the Vivo X300. Good day, you beautiful people. Exciting times because we're getting new flagships from Vivo. In my previous video, I posted about the Vivo X300 Pro, which has mind-blowing telephoto capabilities. In this video, we're gonna be talking about the phone that I'm excited about. Basically, last year when Vivo launched the X200 series, there was one particular phone, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, that I was very curious about. And it wasn't just because there was a pink Vivo X200 Pro Mini, it was because this Pro Mini was an actual compact flagship. Now, the Pro Mini didn't even get a launch outside of China, and we did get a smaller FE, but that wasn't quite a flagship device. And so, with the launch of the Vivo X300, I'm excited because we're seeing those flagship specs in a smaller form factor. Well, smaller at least to today's standards. Without further ado, let's unbox. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so we just unboxed the blue version because I got the blue version, but I managed to get the pink one, so we're doing another unboxing. Okay, so what's exciting about this phone? First of all, it's obviously smaller. That's a 6.31-inch screen. And this thing is powered by the same new processor that's powering the X300 Pro. It also gets Zeiss camera, so this thing has a 200-megapixel main shooter, and it also gets a new sensor on here. Now, I mentioned this in my previous video. On the X300 Pro, the 200-megapixel camera is their telephoto lens. Meanwhile, on this, it's the main shooter. On top of that, you get a 50-megapixel telephoto camera and a 50-megapixel wide on here. Up front, you also get a 50-megapixel selfie camera. Now, despite this phone being a more compact device, you're getting a 6040 milliamp hour battery. We like that. Now, on top of all of that, we're also getting fun colors and definitely loving this pink one. Let's take a closer look at this phone. First of all, I am loving this color. That is a nice matte back, and I really like how that feels. But another favorite on this phone is that the camera module, like, it slants to the camera. That's not an abrupt end, and I feel like that's such an elegant detail. This is a more compact phone. I love the size. I'm still team small phones because of small hands. You have your cameras on the back there, Vivo branding of course. Flash is up here, and you get flat sides on this phone. You have a volume rocker, an unlock button. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C port, SIM tray, and it's a clean other side. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely in love with this phone actually. Like, I know I've said it, but it feels nice in hand. And this is a perfect size for me. Let's do our quick camera tour. So you have wide 1x, 2x, 3x, up until 10x. Ooh, that's like grass. You have 10x. No, 100x over here, and then back to wide. Up top, you have Google Lens, you have your flash settings, live photo, you have your super macro mode, and then you have your 50 or 200 megapixel high res mode. Now here, you can toggle your aperture, your focus, that's cool. And then you have your different styles. You have on the right video, and this can shoot 4K 3060 or 120 FPS. That's pretty cool. There's HDR, there's ultra stabilization available, and then on the other side you have portrait video, and you have, well, wide 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x up until 15x, back to wide, and then you have your bokeh, your beauty mode, and also your different styles. Under more, you get your pano, ultra HD, slow-mo, stage mode. So this is a mode for concerts and stuff like that. You also get the time-lapse mode, a pro mode of course, and this lets you shoot super raw and raw. Also video if you want. There's food mode, a super moon mode, a high reso mode, and on the other side you get a portrait mode as well, 23, 35, 50, 85, 100 millimeter, and that's as much as it'll go. You have your different portrait effects, you have your different styles, beauty mode, and of course your bokeh adjustment. And then you have your landscape night mode, and this also has a snapshot mode. Pretty cool. Now let's see the selfies. Okay, so you have a 0.8, 1x, 2x, and that's as much as it'll go. You have your bokeh settings, you have your beauty mode, and you also get different styles. And of course, your portrait effects. On the other side, you get your photo, same zoom settings as the portrait. And then here you get still personalized styles. And then under video, you can shoot 4K 30 or 60 FPS. That's really cool. You have your HDR settings on here. And yes, HDR is available in 4K on the selfie. And then you have 0.8, 1x, 2x. Again, as much as it'll go. You get your basic styles, and then of course live beauty mode on selfie video. And then on portrait video, you have your aperture settings, your beauty mode, and then of course, your different styles. Again, you can toggle the intensity. And then portrait mode can be shot in 4K 30 FPS. Nice! And then we're back to more. Now, off to some sample shots. That was our first look at the Vivo X300. If you're curious about the other things that Vivo launched at this event, you can check out my previous video on the X300 Pro. Of course, it's just my first look, and I will be vlogging with the phones today, so stay tuned for that video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's Isa Does _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.